That point is really going to be determined by when do you hit the point of diminishing returns. It can be a lot of work just due to the complexity and the amount of data. It can be very complex, it can take a lot of work, and they can get you up to a certain point. That point is really going to be determined by when do you hit the point of diminishing returns. So you're putting all of these resources into development and building out processes and systems to collect the data and prepare for recovery. But a lot of those systems and data may already be standardized. So if you're kind of you roll your own, when there's already somebody who's built software to work with that standardized data, you're reinventing the wheel and throwing a lot of resources at a problem that's already been solved.
Yeah, and we prefer that our team will do the job that they are aimed to do rather than having built teams that are outside of their convenient playground. That's why building a business continuity system to identity and access management system is a profession. We believe that having a good best-of-breed solution for that aspect can save a lot of time and money for the company.